Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from OptionAlpha.com, and in this video I want to talk again just about the importance of having liquid options that are tradable for your portfolio and for your system that you're creating in your trading plan. And I learned this lesson the hard way in December of 2014 because I had made a trade in ANF, which is Abercrombie and Fitch, and we were trading this stock around earnings, made a nice iron condor trade on ANF, and everything was going good. After to expiration, I wanted to close the position, but what I found was that, again, lack thereof of liquidity in the market was so low that no matter what price I put in, I could not get filled. And so I want to go through some of those orders here today just to show you how many orders we tried to place. In fact, I even tried to overpay for getting out of the trade, kind of deliberately putting myself in a bad situation just to see if the market would fill that order. And because there was just nobody on the other side of the trade, it was a trade that I had to let go all the way to expiration. And thankfully, it was a profitable trade, but it could have gone completely against me, and I would not have been able to get out of the trade. So it kind of proves again the point of having high liquidity and very active securities that you need to be trading in your portfolio. So on the screen here is my Thinkorswim platform, and I went back 300 days from that date and just kind of looking at all the different trades that we made in ANF. And you can see as I scroll down here that our only fill and order history was the actual entry of the trade. So you can see that opening trade to close. And this is going back 300 days. So this encompasses everything. I'm not hiding anything, trying to say that I didn't get filled. No, I only got filled on just the opening orders to get into this security. But then you can see, and that was on, that was on 11/7. Okay, so that's when we got filled on the security, which is 11/7. Now what you can also see is that we tried to get out of this trade on 12/4, 12/3, 12/4 again, 12/3, 12/3, 12/3. So on a couple days we were trying to get out of this trade. We just could not possibly exit the trade. And you can see, because on the right-hand side of the screen here, you can see that these orders expired or were canceled and replaced by other orders because they just wouldn't fill. And in fact, at some point during the day, we actually entered a trade to get out at an 8-cent debit. And when the market was trading around 6 or 5 cents to close out the position, you can see a lot of the prices that we were going for is about 6, 5 cents, 4 cents at one point we tried. But at one point during the day, we actually tried to get out of the trade just saying, hey, you know what, we're going to overpay to get out of this security, hoping that somebody would come in and kind of release us from the trade and kind of bank our profit. But even in fact, trying to overpay for the market with just nobody there didn't end up closing out the trade. So again, this just really goes to show you that if you want to create, again, a very profitable business around trading and making high probability trades, a requirement of doing that has to be liquid options, because you can get into a great trade like we did in Abercrombie and Fitch and ANF. We got into a great trade. It ended up being a profitable trade, but had we need to make an adjustment or close the position, we just could not close the position because nobody was there. So this really proves the point. Hopefully you know now that you have to stick to high probability trades. Now, we do publish our own watch list of pre-screened and pre-scrubbed securities that have highly liquid tradable options, and you can get that from OptionAlpha.com inside the membership area. If you guys have any questions on liquidity, please post them right below. If you want me to check out a stock that you don't know if it has good enough liquidity, put the ticker symbol in the comments below this video, and I'd be happy to take a look at that stock and let you know my thoughts on if it meets the liquidity requirements that we have.